Hello.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Today we're going to open these beautiful kuromi bags. I really like these. We're going to open these green bags and we're going to open this mini, what is it? mini12. It's so cute. And these are also so cute. Okay, now, Iman. Now, first, Iman, which one do you like the most?
This one, I think.
She really likes the rabbit in the middle. Okay, got it, guys? Okay, I really like this one in the middle, too. And Alicia, what do you like most?
This pink one.
She really likes this pink one at the top here. And now let's get started, guys. First we're gonna open Iman's.
It's so easy to open it, I think.
What have you got?
Let me see. I said this.
She got this one. This on the top. This one. And
It's so cute.
yep, it's so cute. It's a little charm. It's not fluffy or anything. It's not squishy. Okay, now let's do Alicia's. Open it.
I'm so excited. Can you open it?
Okay, let me open it. Got it.
Okay.
It says there are 3 bags inside.
One bag.
Oh, there's 2.
And one more bag.
Guys, we got these bags.
And we got the map.
It doesn't have a sound. Anyways.
Have more.
Okay. Wait, let me see inside. No.
No.
Okay, now let's see the instructions or something. Oh yeah, definitely these are the instructions. Look, guys, she got this one. Let me see. She got this one.
Which one she got?
This one.
Manual
This one.
It's a lot here.
Okay, let's make this. Then we'll show you. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Alicia's making her. And now let's open mine. I said this one. Alicia got this one. That was a lucky chance for her. Let's see.
What you got?
I don't know. Wait, I got 3. I got 3 in 1.
No.
Okay, I got one pink, this pink one, and I don't know what is this. Yeah, I don't know what is this. And I got this one.
And
What's
this
this
one?
This one. Okay, now let's make boats of these. Then we'll show you guys, okay? Okay, guys, I made one doll. It did like this. Wait. Here's her heart. Yep. I like this. Now I'm gonna do these 2. Which one should I do? Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Hello guys, now Alicia made her one. Yeah. This is Arisha's. Let me do mine. Okay, now Arisha's asking which one should she do? I think so. She should do this purple one, right, guys? Guys, I made this golden heart pink one. This is my favorite, I think so, but I really like this one too. These both are so beautiful. Let's make the other one. And guys, Arisha made this. Mine is the Love series. Arisha has the Star and Moon series. Okay, let me make my other one. Okay, guys, now I made this. Okay, let me show my final. Okay, guys, this is my final. Then let's show you Arisha's. Okay, guys, Arisha has finished her too. And let's show everyone's final. Okay, guys, this is the final. These one are mine, the love hearts.